Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to the captivating city of Charleston, South Carolina. Nestled on the Atlantic coastline, Charleston is a trove of rich history, charming architecture, and southern hospitality. Its cobblestone streets echo the tales of centuries past, while its vibrant cultural scene breathes life into the present. Whether you're a history aficionado, a culinary connoisseur, or just in search of a quintessential southern escape, Charleston holds a unique allure. Revel in the city's historic mansions, indulge in its world-class cuisine, or simply bask in the warmth of its welcoming locals. From the timeless elegance of the French Quarter to the picturesque views of Battery Park, Charleston is a city that invites exploration and leaves visitors spellbound. So, are you ready to uncover the gems of this southern belle? What are you most excited about experiencing in Charleston, South Carolina? Please leave a comment below so we can talk. When it comes to accommodation, Charleston offers a variety of options to suit every budget and preference. Let's start with the French Quarter, known for its historic charm and cobblestone streets. This district is brimming with boutique hotels and bed and breakfasts that ooze southern hospitality. It's the ideal spot if you're seeking a blend of tradition and luxury. Moving on to Battery Park, it's a neighborhood rich in Civil War history, and it's lined with impressive antebellum mansions. Staying here will place you steps away from White Point Garden, a picturesque park offering stunning waterfront views. It's perfect for those who appreciate architecture and serene surroundings. Downtown Charleston is the city's bustling heart, filled with shops, restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Accommodations here range from modern hotels to charming inns. If you're someone who likes to be in the center of the action, this is the place for you. Last but not least, Mount Pleasant is a great option for families or those seeking a more laid-back vibe. This area is home to numerous hotels, motels, and vacation rentals, and it's just a short drive from downtown Charleston. You'll also be near the beach and the famous Boone Hall Plantation. No matter where you choose to stay, you'll be in the heart of Charleston and close to all the action. Once you've settled in, it's time to start exploring the city. One of the first stops on your itinerary should be Rainbow Row. This iconic Charleston landmark, a series of 13 pastel-colored historic houses, is simply a treat for the eyes. Each house has a story to tell, and you'll find yourself immersed in the city's rich history. Next, head over to the Charleston City Market. Spanning 4 city blocks, the market is bustling with energy and offers a wide variety of locally made crafts, arts, and food. It's the perfect place to pick up a souvenir or sample some local treats. After a day of walking around, why not take to the water? A boat tour offers a unique perspective of the city and its beautiful coastline. Whether you choose a sunset cruise or a dolphin-watching tour, you're sure to enjoy the gentle sea breeze and stunning views. And let's not forget about the beach. Charleston is home to several beautiful beaches, each with its own unique charm. Folly Beach, for instance, is popular among surfers and beachgoers alike. Or you can head over to Sullivan's Island for a more laid-back vibe. Soak up the sun, dive into the waves, or simply relax with a good book. These activities offer a mix of sightseeing, relaxation, and cultural immersion. So whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone simply looking for a change of scenery, Charleston has got you covered. Charleston is full of historic landmarks and fascinating places to visit. Let's start with Fort Sumter National Monument, the site where the first shots of the Civil War were fired. It's an unforgettable destination that brings history to life. Next, immerse yourself in nature's beauty at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. Known as one of the most beautiful gardens in America, it's a paradise of vibrant blooms and lush greenery, steeped in 300 years of history. Art lovers, be sure to check out the Gibbs Museum of Art. Home to a premier collection of over 10,000 works of fine art, it's a cultural gem that showcases the visual culture of America and the American South, from the colonial era to the present. Another must-visit is the Nathaniel Russell House, one of Charleston's grandest neoclassical dwellings. Admire the stunning architecture, intricate interior design, and learn about the Russell family and the enslaved African Americans who lived and worked there. Finally, don't miss a walk along the Charleston Battery, a landmark defensive seawall and promenade. It's famed for its stately antebellum homes and provides stunning views of Charleston Harbor. Each of these places offers a unique glimpse into Charleston's rich history and culture, so take your time, explore, and lose yourself in the charm of Charleston. One of the best ways to experience Charleston is through its food. Start your culinary journey with a classic low-country dish, shrimp and grits. This savory combo of succulent shrimp and creamy grits will surely tantalize your taste buds. Next, warm up with a bowl of she crab soup. This creamy concoction, made with fresh crab, milk, and a dash of sherry, is a local specialty that you won't want to miss. For seafood enthusiasts, Charleston's oysters are a must-try. Whether you enjoy them raw, fried, or grilled, you'll love the fresh, briny flavor. Moving on, don't forget to try pimento cheese. This southern staple, a delectable spread made with cheese, pimentos, and other ingredients, is perfect on crackers or sandwiches. Lastly, no southern trip is complete without a glass of sweet tea. This refreshing beverage, often served over ice, is the perfect way to quench your thirst after a day of exploring. These dishes and drinks are a testament to Charleston's rich culinary scene. If you're interested in culture, Charleston will not disappoint. One of the city's cultural highlights is the Dock Street Theater. Steeped in history and elegance, this theater was the first in America designed for theatrical performances. Here, you can indulge in a range of productions from classical to contemporary, under the twinkling chandeliers. Just a stone's throw away is the Charleston Museum. Dubbed as America's first museum, it encapsulates the rich Southern history from the colonial times to the present. Its exhibits are a journey through time, filled with historical artifacts, natural history displays, and exhibits showcasing Charleston's cultural evolution. Now, for those with a penchant for the eerie side of history, Charleston's ghost tours are sure to captivate. Known for its haunted past, these tours guide you through the city's most haunted spots, spinning tales of ghostly sightings and unexplained phenomena. These activities will give you a deeper understanding of Charleston's unique culture and history. Charleston is known for its lively festival scene. Each year, the city comes alive with the Cooper River Bridge Run in April, a race that not only promotes fitness but also offers an unparalleled view of the city. It's a unique way to experience Charleston's charm while getting a bit of exercise. Next on the city's festival calendar is the Spoleto Festival USA. This 17-day art festival brings world-class performances in theater, dance, opera, and music to the historic city. It's a must-see for art lovers visiting in late May to early June. Running concurrently with the Spoleto Festival is the Piccolo Spoleto Festival, focusing on showcasing local and regional artists. It offers a fantastic glimpse into the vibrant artistic community of Charleston. Finally, for the foodies, the Charleston Wine and Food Festival in March is a gastronomic delight. It celebrates the city's rich food culture and the southern flavors that make Charleston's cuisine so unique. These festivals showcase the city's vibrant arts scene, delicious food, and community spirit. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to help you make the most of your trip. Consider purchasing a Charleston Pass. This handy little ticket offers free admission to many of the city's top attractions, including various plantations, museums, and gardens. It's a fantastic way to save money and streamline your sightseeing. Now, Charleston can get quite hot and humid, especially in the summer months. Stay hydrated and pack light, breathable clothing. And don't forget to bring comfortable shoes. Charleston's historic cobblestone streets are beautiful but can be hard on the feet. Remember, Southerners are known for their hospitality, so when in Charleston, do as the Charlestonians do. Be polite and respectful to everyone you meet, and don't forget about tipping. A standard tipping rate of 15 to 20% is customary in Charleston. Parking in downtown Charleston can be a bit pricey, so why not take advantage of the city's public transportation system? The Downtown Area Shuttle, or DASH, is a convenient and economical option. Cell phone service can sometimes be spotty in some parts of Charleston, so download any maps or information you need in advance. And don't forget, there are plenty of free activities in Charleston, like visiting the Charleston City Market, strolling along the Battery, or exploring one of the city's many parks. With these tips in mind, you're all set for an unforgettable trip to Charleston, South Carolina. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.